Okay, here's everyone in the shop at ABC Auto Care taking a seminar on how to clean up the headlights properly on a vehicle, and it's being presented by B&G Products or BG Products. So he's showing us right now what it is that we have to do to ensure really good results. And look at that headlight right there. Absolutely crystal clear, 100% light transmission. By contrast, let me show you what the other one looks like on the same vehicle before we start to work on that. Exactly, you can hardly see through this headlight. As you can tell, this vehicle will be really safe to drive at night after we do the work. But prior to that, who knows?
Absolutely right. And we guarantee this for 2 years minimum. It will last you 2 to 5 years. If it comes back before 2 years, I'll come do it myself for you again.
Wonderful, that's great. So this is the ABC Auto Care and Christensen Performance crew learning how to take care of your vehicle today.